Right, let's take on a journey. It's finished. Let's go have a look. So we're going to take you in now to the brand new, unbelievable facilities at Torquay Academy. New change rooms for all our teams. Let's see what it's like. Not bad, eh? Not bad. So let's have a little look. Let's go through it. So 24 individual bespoke seating for all our players. Amazing, as you can see. Loads of graphics. Making sure it's all bespoke for us. Team TA. Lovely bespoke seats. Internal storage. Foot storage for your boots. Making sure we know every second counts throughout the school. Unbelievable facility for the guys, the girls, every team, basketball, football, year 7 through to 6th form. What you're seeing here now, we've got the false ceiling above, surround sound Bose speakers, which you'll hear in a moment. LEDs all around, giving us that unbelievable feel. In front of us now, you've got a 75-inch smart TV for our analysis. You've got your fridge, you've got your speakers and your subwoofer inside. Clock at the top, making sure we know when kickoffs come in. As you can see up here, we've got our 360 player, which we use for our players in our 6th form. So we've got all the analysis that goes on in here. Take you around the other side now. We'll flip it, just in case you're in doing a warm-up, don't miss anything. So we've got another 75-inch this side, making sure that everything you get on the seated area, you get in the warm-up area in the medical room. Physio, when she comes in, unbelievable area for now to work. We've got our spinning bikes in here for warm-ups. We've still got our mats to come. We've still got our rollers and our bands for our warm-up area. As you can see, we've got an area to do your hair. We've got our GHDs, we've got our straighteners. We've got our hair dryers. Obviously, you can tell that I need that. So great purchase there for me. And then all around, we've got all of our quotes that have started to go up. We've got lots of things for people to obviously aspire to. Brand new, obviously, facilities inside for showering for boys and girls. And let's see what the speakers are like. Let's have a look. Everything on here is touchscreen. So great for the guys to come in. You can see now we've got the analysis. Great area to come in now in the home and have a base for all our students. And just check that out. Unbelievable. Have a little scan round. I don't really think that you quite understand the size of this, but unbelievable facility. Looking forward to all of our teams coming in and enjoying this, making sure that we can offer them more than anybody else, because that's what we try and do. We try and make sure that we can give them everything that we possibly can to flourish. So that's a sneak peek. Hopefully you'll come and enjoy it one day, whether that's part of our year 7 through to year 11s or our 6th form. But I think you all agree, what a great facility.